Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can enable 2FA on Epic Games. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, first access your Epic Game on your mobile's Chrome browser. Open it up, go ahead, search bar and type it in and land on this kind of homepage here in this section. Afterwards, once you find this kind of interface, tap on this three horizontal line on top and make sure you're logged in as well, and tap on this profile icon on top. Afterwards, you can find this option called account just given below the coupons option. Go ahead, tap on it, just wait for a while, and this will simply lead you to this option called account settings. Right, what you're gonna do here in this section, tap on this drop down icon beside it and scroll down, tap on this option called password and security. Once you have done so, it will show you this kind of interface, and then afterwards what you're going to do here in this option, you will find this option called two-factor authentication, right? And then you can see this option called setup. Go ahead, tap on it, and here this option you're going to tap on this continue again, and this will give you an option of you can open the app, or you can either simply scan this user scanner or scan this code, or you can simply enter the code that you will get. Once you have done so, you can tap on this activate app, and the app will be activated and you will have set yourself to 2FA, aka two-factor authentication. So this will be it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.